Have you ever wondered what is actually happening during a chiropractic adjustment? Many people hear a distinct pop or crack and immediately think something was put back in place. It's a common question I get asked. Does that pop mean the treatment was a success? How does that simple action provide relief from persistent back pain? How does it help with nagging stiffness? These questions are perfectly valid. Chiropractic care is wrapped in success stories and in skepticism. Understanding the mechanics is the first step toward making an informed decision about your health. A chiropractic adjustment, at its core, is a healthcare procedure focused on the spine and other joints in the body. The primary goal is to restore proper movement to joints that have become restricted or aren't moving as they should. A chiropractor uses their hands or sometimes small instruments to apply a controlled force to a specific joint. This is often referred to as spinal manipulation. The aim isn't necessarily to realign bones like straightening a crooked picture frame, but rather to improve a joint's range of motion. That improved motion can help alleviate pain and improve overall function. Think of it like a door hinge that's become a bit rusty and stiff. You might apply some oil and gently work it back and forth to get it moving freely again. A chiropractic adjustment works on a similar principle. It targets joints that have lost normal mobility due to injury, poor posture, or repetitive stress. By introducing a quick, precise movement, the chiropractor aims to restore that lost motion. This can help reduce the strain on surrounding muscles and ligaments, which are often working overtime to compensate for the stiff joint, leading to a reduction in pain and discomfort. The reasons people seek this treatment are varied and interconnected. Some deal with chronic lower back pain that makes sitting at a desk unbearable. Others experience sharp neck pain and headaches after a minor car accident, or from spending too much time looking down at a smartphone. Many simply feel a general sense of tightness and restricted movement that prevents them from enjoying daily activities. The overarching goal is to move more freely and with less pain, and a chiropractic adjustment is one of the tools they might consider to achieve that. Now, let's address the main event, that famous popping sound. This sound is not, as many believe, the sound of bones cracking or crunching back into place. The scientific term for this phenomenon is cavitation. Your joints, particularly the synovial joints in your spine, are filled with a lubricating liquid called synovial fluid. This fluid contains dissolved gases: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. When a chiropractor applies that quick thrust, the pressure inside the joint capsule drops suddenly.